Once upon a time, there was a crow. It found a piece of fresh meat and caught it in the mouth and flew happily to the big tree. At this time, a fox came and saw the meat in the crow's mouth and thought,
"This piece of meat must be delicious, but how can I get it?"
The cunning fox came up with a good idea. He came to the tree and said to the crow,
"Dear crow, you are so beautiful. You must have a beautiful voice. Can you sing a song to me?"
The crow was so delighted to hear this, so it started to sing. The meat just dropped from its mouth.
"Ha ha, silly crow, I got the meat.